we at Advantage have written a lot of custom code over the years for clients who want more highly formatted output from Quickbase at around $1,000 a page. Limitations in exact forms and other add-ons prevented them and Word from being usable for the more highly formatted needs. The Form Engine is that no-code, modern replacement, and much more, all in one. This is a new document presentation building module. Its core functionality in the Form Engine, with much more precise and greater formatting capabilities than the Word plugins. You can import from Word docs like exact forms, but also import from and output to PowerPoints for presentations that are automatically populated with your live Quickbase data. Or you can use any background image or screen capture, or use the powerful Build from Blank Canvas no-code HTML builder for the new digital document presentation assets you need, all in one. Taylor will show you how it works.
Exact forms have been the most common way to create documents for customized output of Quickbase data. Templates can look like this. Complex syntax is used to identify what fields are going to be where. Correct field identification is required, and changes in your app or Word template could break the mapping, resulting in broken documents. Formatting options are limited, especially when using graphics. In many cases, writing custom code is needed to get the precise business documents or branded output that you need. By contrast, the Form Engine offers virtually complete flexibility with no code. Business documents are simple. This invoice can become a Quickbase form in minutes. Import your background design, created in your favorite graphics program, or copied and pasted from your company's website or elsewhere. The rest of the document can be created within the Form Engine's HTML editor. Blocks are used to define sections of content. Individual fields or embedded reports are inserted into each block. All field labels, report headers, footers, the data in the fields, embedded reports, and any other text can be formatted individually. The line items in the invoice are a table that will expand or contract automatically to support the content. If an output document needs an e-signature, simply add it and your output document becomes an agreement that can be executed as well. Save your invoice asset and it's done. Thousands of invoices can be created and emailed in minutes.
Now embedded Quickbase reports with live dynamic data can be embedded and free-form formatted into presentations. And your Quickbase data can actually auto-generate the presentations for you and your users. Let's say we start with this sample performance data by state in Quickbase. Just 3 records, but it could be as many as it needs to be. These display as a child report embedded in the parent table. We want to generate this embedded child report in a highly formatted way, automatically for any month for which we have data. If we start a new dynamic report from blank canvas, for this app and parent table, we can embed the child report. When you embed the report in a canvas and choose the vertical embedded report orientation, it displays the fields vertically. If I save this now and create a print field in my Quickbase app like this to render it, populated with the data from that May 2022 parent record, we get an unformatted report, but with the fields displayed vertically, and they repeat and populate for each record of the report. That's a start, but we want 1 record per page or slide. The vertical report orientation also explodes the fields and their labels out individually, so you can place, format, and work with them on a free-form basis. Now we can add labels, formatting, and move the elements around however we want to produce the custom report or presentation format. So fast forwarding, I built this format with the same embedded report. Now rendering a print field for this version of the report gets us what we're looking for. The Form Engine generated 3 slides from the single slide master, an embedded report with the 3 records. If there had been 50 records, it would have auto-created the 50 slide deck or screen deck. The viewer screen version has a single scrolling view of the slides or screens. If you click print to output it, it creates a PDF that is paginated. Or you can also output to PowerPoint, which would also be paginated. We designed this to be the modern formatted output engine most every Quickbase builder needs to replace end-of-life exact forms and beyond. You have powerful new configuration, formatting, and free-form placement of embedded reports at the field level that's never been possible until now. You can auto-generate data-driven documents and presentations in volume, and many of the business forms you convert or create with the Form Engine also need data-populated output documents in the same format. So since the Form Engine does both, it does them together. So when you digitize any business form or document once, it's usable for input and output all in one. We hope you'll be able to use this powerful module in the set of integrated modules in the Form Engine in your business.